Today, we are going to learn about different farm animals. These are the animals that live on farms and provide us with food, wool, and other important products. Let's begin by talking about some of the most common farm animals. First, we have cows. Cows are large animals that give us milk, which we use to make butter, cheese, and yogurt. They usually eat grass and hay, and farmers take good care of them to ensure they stay healthy and produce milk. Next, we have chickens. Chickens are small birds that provide us with eggs and meat. They have feathers and a beak, and they scratch the ground looking for food like grains and insects. Hens, which are female chickens, lay eggs almost every day. Important farm animal is the pig. Pigs are intelligent animals that are raised for their meat, which is used to make bacon, ham, and pork. They like to roll in the mud to stay cool because they don't sweat like humans do. Then, we have sheep. Sheep are farm animals that provide us with wool. Wool is used to make warm clothes like sweaters and scarves. Sheep also produce milk, which can be used to make cheese. They usually eat grass and live in herds. We have goats on farms. Goats provide milk, meat, and even fiber for making fabrics. They are known for being very curious and can often be seen climbing on rocks or fences. Goat milk is used to make cheese and soap as well. As well. Horses are another farm animal, although they are mostly used for work and transportation rather than food. Farmers use horses to help plow fields and carry heavy loads. Horses are strong and fast, and they eat hay, grass, and grains. Finally, we have ducks. Ducks are water birds that live on farms and provide both meat and eggs. They have webbed feet that help them swim in ponds and rivers. Like chickens, they also eat grains and insects. Each of these animals plays an important role on a farm. Farmers work hard to take care of them, providing food, shelter, and medical care. Without many of the foods and materials we use every day. That concludes our lesson on farm animals. I hope you all learned something new today.